Uh, uh, welcome. Hey, welcome. It's a late night, folks. I'll be right back. Bet you don't know what I got. Boom. Back again. It's a late night, so I'm kind of woozy. Old dog don't can't get down like I used to. Well, I got something simple tonight. You know, I'm trying this new generation thing called intermittent fasting, where you don't eat for a long period of time. It's on a certain amount of time that you eat. Try this new stuff for a change. I ain't ate nothing all day, and I got the doctor's appointments in the morning. Gotta get everything checked. Make sure everything good. Don't wait till nothing sneak up on you. You gotta go get checked. So what up? When I gotta hurry this up. Really want to prepare, so I gotta chop stuff in front of you. Oh, give me a second, y'all. Bear with the old man. Bear with the old man. Yes, sir, indeed. Feed the needy. Oh. Oh, yeah. Bear with the old man. Oh, look at him. About to mess up. Make me a salad, y'all. A big ass salad. Mm-hmm. You know what I was thinking about? My nephew came over here today. He gonna take me to the doctor, right? You know, best I use some salads. I said, old dog can learn new tricks. Don't believe that, they can't. So I said, yeah, I guess I'll try it out. Make sure everything on the up and up when I go there. You know what I mean? He he came over here, right? Playing something new, boy. I said, wait a minute now. Some new rapper. I don't even like these rappers. Song went, calling me. You can get you in trouble. They keep they calling me. I said, man, I like that though. I like that. You talking my language. I said, hey, put that in my phone. All the women in there. I need you to put that in there. Cause they nerves will get you in trouble. I gotta try to make this quick cause I gotta get up early. At spur of the moment, I wasn't even planning on getting on it. The camera. They should have never gave me one of these, boy. Hey, I'm telling you. Just ain't no telling what I might not do. Yes, sir. Yeah. Slide you to the side, Jack. Gotta get out. I'm putting me some. forgot something. I forgot something. Bear with me. Bear with the old guy. I'll be right back. Sonic, I'm Sonic. Yeah. Yeah. I forgot some. I ain't gonna be right without that. That's one of the main ingredients. Forgive me, y'all. I told you that was quick. Old guy still got a little spunk. You know? Still got a little taste of spunk. All I mean. I'm gonna slide this right there. Slide that right there. I gotta cut up a couple things. Yeah, you come over here, Mama, that calling me, and get you in trouble. I said, I like that there. I can get with that. That's on my alley. Cause I done been in a whole lot of trouble. Yes, sir, indeed. Yes, sir, indeed. I should have had this prepared. Hey, there. Ooh, you could just smell the freshness off of there. Yes, sir, indeed. Yeah, he come over there. Say, hey, nephew, you gotta put that in my phone, cause I like that there. I said, who that is? He said, I don't like Bootsy. I said, Bootsy? Is that French? I said, no, Bootsy. Knocking Bootsy. Okay, I dig it. I can get with it. Yeah, I hit messing around and drunk some of that muscle milk. No, I'm trying to get back in the gym, work on these gun show. Know what I mean? I done drunk some of that muscle milk. I hadn't eaten it all day. Next thing I know, I had to go to the bathroom. I said, nephew, hey, Bobby. Bobby said, what's up, Unc? I said, have my newspaper. I'm being here for a good minute. Yeah, hey, where it at? Ain't no folks there read newspaper. You read newspaper every day, boy. You go in there looking on the table. I said, bring me that newspaper off the table. Y'all gonna see no newspaper. Ooh, that's the wet jack. They don't gonna see no newspaper. Says right there in your face, boy, you blind? Your eye don't work. You don't gonna see nothing on film. The only thing I see on the table is a phone. That's my newspaper, fool. That's the modern day newspaper. You better take that in the bathroom, don't it? Yeah, I got to sit on that throne. I had to look up this Boosie. I said, I gotta get there. Yeah, I've been playing it all day, Jack. Calling me, and get you in trouble. Yeah, I put a little egg on my salad, you know. I ain't putting no cheese on it tonight. See the yellow part? That's gonna be my cheese because it's yellow. Yes, sir. That will gonna be my cheese tonight. And that's for real. I'm gonna hold it on this side now. Look at that, look at that. That's a beautiful looking salad. Boom. Nigga ain't gonna get full. Don't eat off a knife, folks. I'm a pro. Try this at home. Oh, goodness. You gotta bless it. If I put my other stuff on, I gotta bless it. Look at that. You know that I told y'all about that good real salt. Sometimes it get clumped up on you. Gotta shake it. There we go. I done bust it up now. A little salt. Don't worry, my pressure gonna be fine tomorrow. Hope I ain't eat too many eggs. You know, 2 eggs, hey. 2 eggs will stop me engine. I don't want to go there and embarrass myself now. Everybody's scared. 2 eggs start the engine. 3 eggs had my backfire. Ooh. Fresh black pepper. Y'all don't know about fresh black pepper. Yes, sir. Let me put my water right there for you fall. And I put my little grapes on there. I already pre-cut my grapes. Now usually I have cucumber too. Yeah, I'm all discombobulated, y'all. Got one more thing to put on there. Where my fork go? Here, fork. There you go. What's wrong with you, boy? You ain't did no work today. I'm through cutting. Yeah, usually put me some cucumber or maybe even some apples in here. I'm gonna show you my secret recipe. My little secret. Ooh. Look at that. Some olives. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, I ain't want to put the juice in there. It's good eating. Yeah. And if you're going to see her and ask me about, you all think about going vegan. I said, don't you cuss at me like that. I raised you, boy. Don't you cuss at me like that. Devil is a lie. That devil is a lie. Now, I usually put my apple cider on there, but I ain't gonna do it tonight. I sometimes put onion on there too. But it's too late. I don't want to do no heavy extra brushing tonight when I brush my teeth before I go to bed. I don't feel like brushing these pearly browns tonight like that. Ooh, I'm gonna give y'all this secret right here. Boy, this stuff here tastes so good, but it's high. Can you see that, folks? If the camera ain't picking it up, it wasn't meant for you to see it. I ain't got time for that stuff adjust and everything else. I'm an old man. I'm borrowing time. I'm borrowing time. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got time for that. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. And when it get down halfway, I put water in it, Jack. This stuff too expensive. Ooh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Ooh, you gorgeous, baby. Oh, you gorgeous. You gonna get daddy healthy, ain't you? I know you. I know you're gonna get me healthy. I'm gonna start coming to you more often. I might just take my nephew if I start coming to you more often. It should be good. Well, no, I'm getting one more. One more. Usually I put my stuff in the bowl and just stir it up. You know, whip it, whip it, flip it, flip it, flip it. Mmm. And it's good. So everything get coated evenly. But I'm trying to do a little presentation, yo. You know what I mean? Alright. Gotta go to the top with this one. Just in case I get stuck, I can pressure wash the line. Yeah, let's get busy. Ooh. So you gotta stab at this. Mmm. Mmm. Them eggs and them olives setting it off. Boy, when that sauce hit that olive hit them grapes hit them tomato, and hit that egg, hit that lettuce. That's good eating, Jack. You can't see that. Can you see that? Get some glasses then, Jack. You can't see. If you believe it, you need some glasses. You need to let me check your prescription. Go get your prescription checked. You gonna call me, Sally calling me, and get me in trouble. Calling me. I'm tired tonight, y'all. I ain't got nothing to talk about. I just threw something on. Threw something up. Ain't got nothing to eat. Well, I got some food from yesterday, but like I said, I'm going to the doctor tomorrow. Doctor gonna have me, mister? Have you been eating healthy? Yes, sir. I've been eating me a good old salad, sir. Yes, I have. That way I won't be lying. See, I don't like liars. I don't like liars. I won't be lying, see? But you see, the God on the truth. It's the God on the truth. I ain't gonna sit there and lie to him now. I ain't a liar. Because I don't want to be lied to. It is good. Boy, y'all gotta try this sauce. You can't find it in a normal grocery store. You gotta go to the upsalon. What you call it? The upsalon. You gotta go to health food store, Jack. Boy, that is good. That olive, man, olive is the secret. Most of the time I use black olives. But these green ones get it done. Like I said, I usually put that some of this apple cider on there. This to help me out. when I had a little blood in my pressure that I got hip to this. They couldn't tell me nothing. You gotta get the organic kind with your mammy though. Yes, sir. I got the whole book. I wish I had the book in my. You know I gotta look through some stuff cause I got a mini library now. I've been studying. Well, I've been reading over the years, Jack. I knows a thing or three. 4, 5, and 6. What y'all know a thing or zero? And they don't know nothing. Thinking you smart. Intel of joint. I'm wise. You don't get you pretty. You know, this sexy, not being wise. Yes, sir. I hate to keep staying on this generation, but this generation, they don't know nothing. You gotta pick up a. Wait a minute. I'm gonna see if you know what this is. Don't knock nothing down, boy. Oh. Oh. I just had a fruit thing laying over there because I'm straightening up. Hey, you look 25 years old. Do you know what this is? Huh? Got me touching everything with my hands at a time. Well, I ain't gonna be picking nothing up, but this, oh, there it is. You know what they call this, young blood? Look at that, boy. Eyes be reading. It's just one of my little books. Thick. Thick, thick, thick. I cheated plenty days with that book. There's another book. I can't show you what that one is. Can't show you what that one is. I study. I study everything. Yeah. Look at that. Y'all get y'all some. Y'all gotta learn how to survive out here. Offering wisdom and knowledge. I got that apple cider vinegar book too. I gotta find it. But it saved me from the pressure of that blood. I started taking them subscriptions. When I started taking them subscriptions, then that nurse messed around and told me, you know that mess with you. Him down below. I said, help? Him down below? I ain't taking no more of that. Him down below a bit too much for less of a subscription. Take them out. He stood up in the many fights. He fought many battles. He lost a few. He lost a few now. That's just the right tip. See, I got OCD. I don't like my stuff too cold, and I don't really like it room temperature either. Even though room temperature will be best for your digestive system. That's why a lot of y'all backed up, because y'all, we really supposed to drink at room temperature. Y'all drinking this cold stuff. If I was doing video, last thing I do is drink. Unless I get choked or something, now take me a little sip just to wash it down. See, y'all stick with me. Y'all learn something. See, I usually drink afterwards. Sometimes it be 30 minutes later when I drink something. Gotta let them acids in that stomach break down this solid food that they got to eat. You don't need nothing going down diluting it. I'm telling you, look. I'm telling y'all, Einstein stole some of his ideas from me. I'm gonna talk about that later time. I ain't thinking straight. I'm late. I'm tired. I ain't talking about nothing. I'm just saying something. If that make any sense, it ain't gotta make sense, cause that's what it is. That's a good bite. That's a good bite, girl. Nephew, you told me to shout you out by me. I done said his name once or twice now. I'm gonna go and shout you out right. Bobby, my nephew. Latest man. Chip off the old block. Capital B now. Capital B. You might have turned your uncle on or something, nephew. You done got on it. Big baby. Big old baby. All you gotta do is slow down. You don't eat this fast for real. What you doing? Cause you appreciate your food. That's why you don't eat that fast. You appreciate your food. You better knock stuff down. Huh? You ain't slow down, man. Just do you. Do you. Slow it down. Slow it down. There you go. Gonna make love down. Gotta pace it out. That dressing is the business. Corporate business. I ain't just talking about mom and pop day. That's corporate business right there. And that dressing is good. See that? I'm at the end, y'all. Modern day news, baby. You feel crazy. Take your phone everywhere. Boy, I can't wait till the Black History Month come in. I got some stuff to put. I'm gonna put it out every week. I'm gonna tell y'all a good history lesson every week. All the way to the end of the month. Wait a minute, I ain't gonna wait there. Where's my knife here? I'm through with that. The last thing I gotta eat. It's a good old fashioned apple that I already cut. Yeah. I know what they say about these apples before you go to the doctor. The apple of night keep the doctors at bay. Yes, so is. I get down. Mm. I don't want nothing better. Oh, I'll tell you one thing. First time I went to the doctor, boy, this thing cut off on me again. I gotta get used to the new technology. So apparently I need a bigger SIM card. I'm talking too long. The camera tired of me. Well, so I gotta give me a new SIM. SD card, whatever you call it. I ain't buying no bad. Why the camera just cut off on me like that, man? Hey, Bob Earl. Hey, I ain't no good. You just ain't no good. That's good indeed. I'm going to the doctor, y'all. Like I was saying. Last time I went to that doctor, they had me hooked up to all these mechanicals. I was what's going on. I just came in here to get checked. Y'all got all this junk electrical. Well, you at that age, you need to get everything checked. I said, what? I said, you have to take your car in for some brakes. All you need this, you need this. Oh, come on, y'all. Who paying for all this? I ain't got no Oh, whoop that skin. You don't need all this. See, that's how you get them. Last time I went in this boat, they drew some blood. So they could check all my levels and everything, make sure I'm on the up and up, right? Man, they draw so much blood. I said, whoa, hold up, wait a minute. Supposed to be drawing a little blood just to test us, get a little sample. I ain't donating no blood now. This ain't no blood bank. I don't know. I'm charging y'all for this. Y'all gotta reimburse me. And that's for real. You know, everybody just running wild. Ain't no more structure. Ain't no more structure. Well, that's it for me. I overstayed my welcome tonight. Uptight. Molly. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down. Go on back, crawl in my cave and go to bed. This feast is adjourned.